Welcome to our financial analysis of Rajputana Stainless Limited for the third quarter and 9 months ended December 31, 2025. The total income, including other income, stands at 2,510 lakh rupees. This represents a 6.9% growth year-on-year, though it decreased by 7.17% compared to the previous quarter. Revenue from operations contributed 2,563 lakh to this total. Total expenses for the quarter were 234,332 lakh. Cost of materials consumed remained the largest component at 19,655 lakh, while employee benefits and other expenses were 531 lakh and 2,095 lakh respectively. EBITDA for the quarter was 2394 lakh, with a margin of 9.54%. This shows a slight expansion of 12 basis points compared to the 9.42% margin recorded in the preceding quarter. Profit before tax came in at 1,671 lakh rupees. While this is a strong 21.6% increase over the same quarter last year, it is a 4.13% decline from the previous quarter's net profit after tax reached 1,230 lakh rupees, marking a significant 28.9% growth year-on-year. However, net profit saw a 6.9% decline sequentially from 1,322 lakh in the previous quarter. The earnings per share for the quarter is 1.79 rupees. This is up from 1.39 rupees in the same quarter last year, but slightly down from 1.92 rupees in the preceding quarter. Notably, Rajputana Stainless was recently listed on BSE and NSE on March 19, 2026. This is the company's first quarterly financial results statement following the listing. In summary, Rajputana Stainless reported 6.9% YoY revenue growth and 28.9% YoY PAT growth. Margins remained stable with a slight expansion to 9.54%. Sequential growth was negative across top and bottom lines. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.